Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows not activating. Well, it's a very simple process. You need to follow my steps very carefully and it will going to fix your problem. You don't need to be panic about. If in your Windows shows message like Windows is not activated, Windows can't active Windows, we can't active Windows on this device, or error code like this one, then follow these real and effective steps. It will going to fix your problem. So our first step is run the Activation Troubleshooter. For that, what we can do, we can simply go for open settings by simply press Windows plus I in our keyboard and then simply go for system, and then we need to search for activation. You can see, click on that. If it shows active state is active, then it's all okay. But if it's not, then you can simply go back and then you need to look for troubleshoot. If you click on that, click on other troubleshoot. And if you face any problems here, you're going to find out troubleshoot option. And you can simply click the troubleshoot over here. The tool will automatically check for license mismatch, Microsoft server issues, hardware change issues, or incorrect addition. If the license is valid, it will activate your Windows after clicking on Troubleshoot. If your problem doesn't solve it, then you can simply look for the step to check your product key. You can simply come over into Start icon, search your CMD, and run as administrator. And here you can simply type slmgr /DLI and click enter. It will going to open Windows script host and you will going to get the name, description, partial product key and license status. If you are getting this key with this message, it's all okay. But if the key is showing blocked, blacklisted and expired, Windows will not activate. Only genuine keys work. Our third step, check if you install the correct edition. A Windows 10 or 11 home key cannot active Pro and vice versa. Check your edition by simply go for settings. If you go for click start icon, click on the right mouse button, go for settings and then go for system, and then you have to look for about. You do the about section. You can simply find Windows edition over here. So you can see the Windows edition is 11 Pro. Version 25H2. If anything mismatched, then you must reinstall Windows with the correct edition or enter a matching key. Our step 4 is fix activation after hardware changes. Well, if you changed your motherboard or CPU or SSD, Windows may deactivate. To fix this problem, what you have to do, go to settings by simply type Windows plus I, and then you need to go for the system. Into the system, you will going to find out the activation option over here, and then you need to choose troubleshoot, and then you need to sign in maybe for the Microsoft account, select your old device and activate. That's it. You don't need to have panic about anything. This works if your key is digitally linked to your Microsoft account, and your key will be worked if your Microsoft account is digitally linked with your key. After, we're going to move for step 5. Make sure you are connected with the perfect internet. No VPN, no proxy. You have to check your connection is stable and try. If it's not, then try another network or hotspot. Our step 6 is very simple. Activate using command line. If the key is valid, then what you have to do, if you get the activate key, click on the start icon, type your CMD, run as administrator, and here you need to type slmgr /IPK capital letter your dash, and after typing IPK, give a space and then you need to type your product key here. Okay, you need to type your product key and then click enter. After clicking enter, what are you going to do? You need to next type slmgr /ADO. That's it. Your second command prompt is this, and you need to click enter. So this is how we can simply solve your problem. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps you. If it helps, don't forget to like and comment below. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.